Hello everyone, this video feedback from one of our Croatia market customer. They had finished this machine installation and operation today, and they are very satisfied. Even they cannot believe that they can finish this machine by themselves. But we think it is not a problem because we have the details machine installation and operation books. Every order we will supply this detailed information. Also, we have the after-sales groups for ensuring our people can install the machines by themselves. Each order is just beginning, not the end. We will accompany with them. You can see from the machine spring, it is within 3 minutes. Also, this machine is a 5-axis CNC automatic spring printing machine. It has including the air inlet and the exhaust system. Also, you can see from the printing room, it has a water kit inside for ensuring a printing environment is very clean. Forget the trouble from the manual spring. It can get a smoothly and evenly efficiency surface on the machine spring. More details information about the machines, feel free to contact us. We are waiting for you here.